welcome to an Albumist Q&A. And a commonly asked question that we receive here is, how do we go about choosing the images for the album design? Does the bride choose the images? Does the photographer? Does the designer? Well, we actually have 4 different systems that we've set up that work extremely well, and we hope that you find the perfect one that fits your business. The first one is when the bride actually chooses her favorites and she puts them all in a folder, you upload them to our server, or you send us a link and you're done. The second option is when the bride chooses her favorites and then you, the photographer, also send an optional folder. The third system that we've set up is when you, the photographer, send us a favorites folder and you've chosen the images for that favorites. And the fourth is when you actually send us a link to the whole event and you send us a favorites folder. So you can send us a link through Pixieset, through Pass, through SmugMug, whatever system you use to view your online images, send us a link to that event with your favorites folder and we will pick and choose the images from both of those. And those are the 4 systems. I hope that they're extremely helpful. If you have any questions along the way, please shoot us an email. Have a great day.